I thought we were having anari. I just feel like in this situation, I just don't think it's necessary. So today we are making ravioles. Gani? Desra. Dry mint, yeah? Gani. Brown cinnamon, so a small teaspoon. Okay, so one, and then one yolk. You want the whole thing? Okay. Okay, and that's the filling. Is that it? I thought we were having anari. Some ricotta. And that's it. I've got the fancy eggs. So we've got ricotta, halloumi, cinnamon, mint, and an egg. Gorgeous. So that's our filling. Tibodalo. Okay, that's it. And then we're going to make our dough. Okay. Microwave. So you want the whole bag? It's a lot, no? It's quite a lot. I'm not going to sieve it, the machine's going to... I just feel like in this situation, I just don't think it's necessary. I love you, I'll do it for you though. Softer. Gani? Trust me. Working hard. Yeah? Gani? Okay. And we'll be back. Get in there, love. Oh yes, sorry, you did teach me. You did teach me this, I'm sorry. Bad student. It's lovely. Who needs a machine? Who needs a pasta machine? This is our filling. Yeah. Yeah. It's like borecchia all over again, isn't it? If you have pasta in Greece, it's always very slowly cooked in like meat, basically. But you would never have pasta al dente in Greece, Cyprus. It's just not, yeah. But we eat a lot of pasta. Have I done a good job? So pretty. There we go. Nice. Little parcels of joy, like you. It's almost like a cross between ravioli and like a wonton soup. It's like a dry ricotta, like a salty anari. Look at that. We've got the chicken stock, got that halloumi filling. Goody! It's hot, man. See when we do it together? 2.